The power of crystals is a mystery that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Delving into the enigma of crystal healing, we uncover a rich tapestry of history, culture, and a deep-rooted belief in the power of Earth's natural wonders. Crystal healing, a practice that involves the use of precious stones and minerals, is believed to harness the energy of the earth and use it to enhance physical, emotional, and spiritual health. This intriguing practice has origins that trace back to ancient civilizations. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, adorned their pharaohs with lapis lazuli for protection, while the Greeks used amethyst to ward off intoxication. Even in the far reaches of Asia, jade was prized for its purported health-strengthening abilities. Fast forward to today, and this age-old practice has found its place in contemporary wellness culture. There is a myriad of crystals, each with its own unique properties and benefits. Clear quartz, often hailed as the master healer, is believed to amplify energy and thought. Rose quartz, the stone of universal love, is said to restore trust and harmony in relationships. Amethyst, the tranquilizer of the crystal world, is used to help calm the mind and inspire an enhanced meditative state. But crystal healing goes beyond just the physical. It's about energy, balance, and transformation. It's about connecting with the earth and the universe and aligning our energies with theirs. It's about tapping into the vibrational frequencies of these natural elements and using them to promote healing and well-being. So, how does it work? Well, practitioners of crystal healing believe that these stones act as conduits for healing, allowing positive healing energy to flow into the body while negative disease-causing energy flows out. It's a holistic approach that sees wellness as more than just the absence of illness, but as a state of being where one's energy is in complete harmony with the universe. A journey into crystal healing is not just about wellness, it's about embarking on a journey of self-discovery. Meet Jen, a woman who was once skeptical about the power of crystals. The hustle and bustle of modern life, Jen was a woman who believed in tangible evidence, in the visible and the concrete. Concepts like energy healing and crystal therapy were, for her, the stuff of fantasy. However, as fate would have it, Jen found herself attending a friend's crystal class on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Little did she know that this seemingly mundane participation would mark the beginning of an extraordinary journey. Jen's curiosity led her to acquire a small amethyst, a crystal known for its calming properties. She began meditating with the stone, holding it close, focusing her thoughts. At first, she felt nothing, but as days turned into weeks, she noticed subtle shifts in her energy. She started feeling a little more at peace, a bit more centered. This was her first glimpse into the transformative potential of crystal healing. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Jen faced challenges in her journey, met with skepticism from friends, struggled to stay consistent with her practice, and battled her own doubts. Yet, she persevered, driven by the changes she was experiencing. As Jen delved deeper into the world of crystals, she discovered their diverse range, each with its unique properties. She explored citrin for abundance, rose quartz for love, and black tourmaline for protection. With time, Jen's collection grew, and so did her understanding of these fascinating stones. The power of crystal healing was not just in the stones themselves, but in the intention Jen set, the energy she channeled. She learned to cleanse her crystals, to charge them under the moonlight, and to use them in her daily life. The crystals became tools, allies in her journey towards wellness and balance. Jen's life transformed. She found herself more grounded, more in tune with her intuition, and more at peace. She built a life around these healing stones, becoming a practitioner herself, helping others discover their healing potential. Jen's journey is a testament to the transformative power of crystal healing. Crystal healing is just the beginning. There are other techniques that complement it. Let's dive into the world of aromatherapy, where the essence of plants is captured in the form of essential oils. These oils are diffused into the air or applied topically to stimulate the senses, promote relaxation, and support healing. Picture lavender's calming scent or the invigorating aroma of peppermint. When combined with crystal healing, aromatherapy can amplify the soothing effects, creating a synergistic experience that engages both the physical and emotional senses. Now, imagine a gong's deep vibration resonating within you, or the clear, ringing tone of a crystal singing bowl. Welcome to sound therapy. This healing methodology uses various instruments and frequencies to balance the body's energy. It's like tuning a musical instrument, but the instrument is you. When paired with crystal healing, the vibrational frequencies of the stones interact with the sound waves, offering a deeply immersive healing experience. Next, let's talk about color therapy. This method uses the visible spectrum of light and color to affect mood and physical health. Think about how you feel in a room bathed in warm golden light compared to one with cool blue tones. Each color has a unique vibration, just like crystals, and can be used in conjunction with them to enhance their healing properties. Lastly, we have energy healing, like Reiki. This Japanese technique involves the practitioner channeling healing energy into the patient by means of touch to activate the natural healing processes of the patient's body and restore physical and emotional well-being. When combined with crystal healing, the crystals can act as conduits for this healing energy, focusing it and amplifying its effects. These healing methodologies offer a holistic approach to wellness that is both refreshing and revitalizing. Embrace these diverse healing tools and discover the profound impact they can have on your journey towards wellness. But what does science have to say about these healing methods? That's a question often asked, and the answer is fascinating. Let's delve into the current scientific research related to crystal healing and other methodologies. To start with, we must remember that science is a tool for understanding the world, and it's constantly evolving. What we know today may be revised or expanded tomorrow. Now let's consider crystal healing. Some scientists speculate that crystals, being solid materials with a periodic structure, might interact with our body's energy fields in some way. It's a known fact that certain crystals can store energy, and others can generate energy when pressure is applied to them, a phenomenon known as piezoelectricity. While this doesn't prove that crystals can heal, it does hint at a possible mechanism. Aromatherapy, another healing methodology, has seen more scientific research. Essential oils, the main tools of aromatherapy, contain compounds that have been shown to have various effects on the body. For instance, lavender oil contains linalool, a compound that has been linked to relaxation and stress reduction in several studies. Sound therapy, a practice that uses vibrations to purportedly adjust the body's energy fields, also has some scientific backing. Research has shown that certain sound frequencies can affect brain waves, potentially inducing states of relaxation or focus. Color therapy, which posits that different colors can affect our mood and health, is another area where science has found some interesting correlations. For example, blue light is known to suppress the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Lastly, energy healing, like Reiki, is possibly the most controversial. While the mechanisms are not understood and many remain skeptical, research has shown some positive results in terms of stress reduction and perceived well-being. So what's the conclusion? While science may not fully understand these healing methods yet, it's clear that they're not just baseless superstition. There's a lot of interesting research out there, and many of these practices have tangible effects on the body and mind. While science may not fully understand these healing methods yet, there's no denying the profound impact they have on those who practice them. Are you ready to embark on your own healing journey? It's a question that invites not just curiosity, but also a sense of self-discovery. This journey is not just about healing your physical body, but also about nurturing your mind and spirit. You might be wondering, how do I begin? Well, there are several paths you can take. One of the first steps is to find a reputable practitioner. This could be a certified crystal healer, an aromatherapist, a sound therapy expert, a color therapist, or a Reiki master. You can find them in your local area or online. It's important to do some research, read reviews, and perhaps even have a preliminary conversation with them to ensure that they're the right fit for you. Alternatively, you can also begin your healing journey at home. Start by creating a quiet and peaceful space. This could be a corner of your room or a spot in your garden. It's a place where you can sit quietly, meditate, and connect with your inner self. Next, choose a healing method that resonates with you. You might be drawn to a particular crystal or a specific color. Trust your instincts. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice here. It's all about what feels right for you. Once you've chosen your method, dedicate some time each day to this practice. It could be just 5 minutes in the morning or 10 minutes before bedtime. The key is consistency. Over time, you'll start to notice subtle shifts in your energy, your mood, and your overall well-being. In this journey, patience is your companion. Healing is not an overnight process. It's a journey that unfolds over time. And remember, it's perfectly okay to seek guidance or ask for help along the way. So are you ready to take that first step? To explore the enchanting world of crystals, the soothing scents of aromatherapy, the harmonious sounds of sound therapy, the vibrant hues of color therapy, and the gentle energy of Reiki? Remember, the power of healing is not just in the crystals or the techniques, it's within you.